Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all Wi-Fi problems. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go down. Go to general management. Tap here. Go down. Tap on reset. Go down. Tap on reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Tap here. Then tap on reset settings button. See the message Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings reset. This reset operation is safe. It will not delete any data from your phone. It will not delete your photos, videos, contacts, anything. It just reset only the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. That's all. After this reset operation, you can try to connect this mobile phone to a Wi-Fi network. That should work. So this way we can reset Wi-Fi settings and fix all Wi-Fi issues. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.